there. Yesterday, we looked at wonderful words. We segmented words and we blended words. So we are kind of going to do something like that today, but we're going to challenge ourselves a little bit more. We're going to blend the onset and the rhyme together. So you're probably wondering, what's the onset and what's the rhyme? Well, you've probably heard the word rhyme before because you worked on rhyming in kindergarten. But it's not that rhyme. In fact, we spell it a little bit differently. This type of rhyme is a part of a word. So let's talk about what the onset and what the rhyme are. Right here, you notice that I typed out the word jet. Jet is spelled J-E-T. And of course, we know that we can tap out jet just like that. We couldn't say j, e, t, jet, and we will figure out what the word jet is. However, there's an easier way for you to do it. As you become a more comfortable reader and you become more fluent and you develop your phonics skills, this is going to be easier for you. So I'm going to show you this and we'll keep practicing. So in this word, we have J-E-T for jet. You will see the J is highlighted in yellow. It is considered the onset in the word. Now, in a CVC word, the beginning of the word is the onset. So that's going to be that first letter or the blend or digraph. But for this sake, or for this case, we are just going to see it as one letter. So the onset is the beginning of the word. And then the rhyme, what is highlighted in green, is the end of the word. So when we are rhyming words, which we will do, the rhyme, what's in green, is going to stay the same, and the onset, the beginning of the word, is going to change. So as we become better and better readers, we can look at that onset and we can look at that rhyme and we can blend those two parts together to form a word. So let's try some together. I made this little table for us so we could look at some onsets and some rhymes and then look at the entire word together. So let me show you how we can do this. If you wanted to read this word right here and you knew the onset was F and the rhyme was OX, well, we first have to know, can we blend these two together? We have to be able to blend these two letters together. Let's see if you can do it. So we would just say f, and then for ox, we take 2 fingers down because O and X says ox. We'll bring 2 fingers down and tap that out. We'll say f, ox, fox. So you're blending the onset with 1 finger and the rhyme with 2. So f, ox, fox. Does that make sense? I hope so. Let's try a few more. You'll catch on. Don't worry. S, at, sat. T, n, ten. P, ot, pot. Z, ip, zip. Do you see how we just tapped out the onset and the rhyme? Instead of doing 3 parts, we did 2 parts. So this is just going to make it easier for us as we learn to read and become more fluent. It's good practice for us, even if it's a little tricky. It's okay. The point is that I want you practicing and I want you trying. So, great job today. This is really going to help us when we begin working on rhyming. It's going to make so much more sense. All right, my friends, great job. I am so proud of all the hard work you are putting in. Digital high fives.